Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Shamon's Kitchen. So before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, tell people about it, and share. Okay, today guys, I'm going to make you a special treat. We are going to be making sweet potato cornbread. Yes, that's right, sweet potato cornbread. Something that you can place on the dinner table to add for a gathering or just because, especially for the holidays. Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. Okay, so we got that flour, cup of flour, cup of yellow cornmeal. We have the sugar, brown sugar. Now this right here would be like a half of cup of brown sugar. It depends on how sweet you want it. A teaspoon of baking soda. You can't forget the nutmeg and the brown cinnamon. So a teaspoon of nutmeg and brown cinnamon. I am going to use maybe almost a half a stick of butter softened. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to show you. And I'm going to use 2 eggs. I know it's a lot of ingredients, guys. And we're going to use the milk accordingly, maybe like a half a cup. I have 3 potatoes boiling, but you can only use 2. It depends on how many or how large you want your cornbread to be. I got 3 boiling, but I'm going to probably use 2. Use as many as you like. But with this recipe I'm giving you, 2 would be good enough. It's going to be all in one bowl here. So what I did first is, let me go back here. I scrubbed off the sweet potatoes, scrubbed them, washed them real good, and we're going to let them boil. I am back. Okay, so I gave you the ingredients. We got that part. First, before I forget, let me send a special thanks out to good family friends. Thank you, Sherry Jackson, Mark Jackson, for this awesome shirt. I absolutely love it. They gave it to me to wear. I wanted to wear it on the show. Appreciate you guys. I am loving this shirt. Thank you guys so much. Let's get back to this special treat that I would love for you to try to make and share with your friends and family, guys. Okay, so I went ahead and got those potatoes peeled. I got 2 of them. And let me go ahead and show those who don't, because we have some people who may be making potatoes maybe for the first time. So what I like to do is kind of go step by step and kind of show them what they can do to get this recipe conquered. Okay, so to peel the potato, you just take the skin. See there, let me come up and show you guys. And you scrub till all the potato skin is off. Okay, that's what you do. But I already have some done. I want to come up close. So what I want to do, I do have a blender, a mixer rather, where it will show you guys how to blend up your potatoes a little bit faster, but some people don't have it. So we're going to go from scratch. I'm going to do it by hand for you, okay? A little bit longer, a little bit more time consuming, but it is worth it. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick. I don't have all my tools here to do it by hand, but we're going to make do. So you want to kind of get it smashed up much as you can. Let's push these ingredients to the side. As much as you can, okay? So these is the 2 potatoes, 2 large potatoes, guys. Not going to even use all of that. Yes, we will. We're going to use all 2 big, large potatoes we're going to use with this recipe, okay? And you kind of want to get it smashed in. Okay, so I got it halfway mixed up here, and we're going to go ahead and add in the flour. See that? Slowly. I'm going to do maybe a half a cup. A little bit more milk with it. Add that flour in. Add more. Now this is some work if you don't have a blender. I just wanted to do it the right way to show you guys. Okay. We're going to add that cornmeal. Got the cornmeal going. And we're going to add some more cream. Now you're going to do it all to your liking. And you're going to have to stir. Stir or put it to your mixer. You got to get it all stirred. Consistency that you are looking for. Okay? You're looking for some not too watery, not too thick, just right. So we're going to go ahead and add that melted butter. You know you got to have the butter in the cornbread. We're going to go ahead and add baking soda. That brown sugar. Get some stirring done here, and we're going to add the white sugar. Okay. Now you don't have to put as much sugar if you don't want to. It's up to you. Okay. Nutmeg and cinnamon. Now this takes some work if you're going to do it by hand. So you just got to keep stirring to the best of your ability. No lumps. Keep it stirring. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Mess around and been made almost a sweet potato pie. But we're going to do that cornbread today. Okay. Now I see why our grandmamas and some of the moms wore aprons when they was in the kitchen most days, because they know they used to cook from scratch and stuff can get everywhere. So be mindful when you're doing it this way. It's gonna take some work. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and get our dish ready to pour it in. Now gotta stir these lumps. Now what I would like for you to do is I may get a 16 by 18 pan dish. I'm going to grease it with butter. It's not going to be melted. I'm going to do my butter, and I'm going to put my oven on 350 for about 45 minutes. So, got it all mixed in. Now, let me bring it up closer. This is what you're looking for. Okay. Stir until most of the lumps, 99.9% of the lumps are out. Consistency, or like I said, you can use your blender. I have my dish right here. I greased it already with my softened butter, and you're just going to get to pouring in. Okay, usually in the middle. See that? Make sure you taste it and add whatever needs to be added. That's my oven getting warm. Pre-warm your oven if you like. No, that's best to pre-warm your oven. So that it wouldn't take as long for your cornbread to get ready. And I just smooth it out. Okay. And this is how it should look if you use a smaller pan. Same thing, same ritual. So guys, what I'm going to do is take this and slide it in the oven for 45 minutes, and I'm going to come back and show you what we're going to do with the rest. We are back. Now, the cornbread cooked for about a good 45 minutes. You take it out of the oven, okay? I want to bring it up to the camera so I can really show you guys how it looks. See that? Potato cornbread. It smells so good in here right now, y'all. I promise you. Okay, so let's get to cut. Wait, first, let's go ahead, and I melted some butter. And we're gonna go ahead and pour butter over your cornbread. Now, I also melted some honey. This is optional to pour over it, the whole thing, or you can do it as you slice upon request. That's how we're going to put that, upon request. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the cutting. Moist. When I tell y'all moist, moist it is. Yes, it is. Look at that. Look at that. It's ready, y'all. It's ready. It's ready. take that honey and you want to pour it over. You guys can see. There you go. Now let's get the taste. I'm trying to see when I cut into it. That's what I want y'all to see. See that? See that cornbread? See that? Nice and moist, delicious. Baby, this is what I'm talking about. Make this, guys, and put it on your table for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just any day to entertain. I promise you, you will love it. Honey, it's optional, but put a little butter at the top. It'll bring it on home. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be blessed as usual. Subscribe and share this recipe. It's absolutely worth it. Sweet potato cornbread. Here you go. Okay, everybody. Be blessed. Thank you.